Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you what does the solid orange light mean on your JBL Clip 5. So with the JBL Clip 5, there's actually multiple light indicators that you need to be aware of. Regarding the solid orange light, if you go ahead and charge your JBL Clip 5 like this, you're going to see that on the top here, there's a solid orange light that stays on. That indicates that your JBL Clip 5 is currently charging. In addition, if you turn on your JBL Clip 5, there's a white light that starts to shine right over here. So if this stays a solid white light, that means that it's currently connected to another device. If it starts to blink, like when you put it into Bluetooth pairing mode right over here, that means that the light is going to go ahead and indicate that it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. So as you can see, it's in Bluetooth pairing mode, and that's indicated by the light blinking, which means that you can go ahead and find your JBL Clip 5 on your iPad, laptop, or mobile device. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain what does the solid orange light mean on your JBL Clip 5. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.